really turn up. At the beginning, even when I woke up in the morning, there was a thought in the back of my mind that was like, I've got to wake up early for this program, and I'm not sure if I should go, but just show up anyways. It's really valuable, and it can be extremely eye-opening, and you can learn so many things about yourself and other people. So it's a great experience that it could potentially change everything, could change the direction your life takes, and you can learn a lot of things and be inspired. The fact that I never really realized what I'm truly capable of. I didn't actually know the true definition of what a leader is, and I always believed or thought that being a leader is about telling other people what to do, but there are a lot of other qualities that leaders have and that we already have. I realized that I need to work on my self-confidence, that I doubt myself a lot, and this program has improved my confidence quite a lot, and it's taught me that don't be afraid to speak up sometimes, and you shouldn't doubt yourself and your abilities.